This is the piano accompaniment of Adele's Hello in the key of E minor with only one sharp. If you're interested in learning the song in its original key, please take a look at my previous videos. Here's middle C. First, we'll cover the song in the key of E minor. The first chord pattern is played in the intro, verses, and ending. We'll start with the right hand. The first chord is E minor. We have E, G, and B. The second chord is a G major, D, G, and B. The third chord is a D major, D, F sharp, A. And the last chord is a C major, C, E, G. Now for the left hand, we are just playing the root notes. E, G, D, and C. Now we'll play the left and right hand together. As mentioned, this chord pattern is played in the intro, the verses, and the ending. This next chord pattern is played in the pre-chorus. We'll play on the right hand first. E minor, D major, and B minor. This is a new chord. We have B, D, and F sharp. C major, E minor, D major, and C major. On the left, we'll play the root notes. E, D, B, C, E, D, C. We'll play right and left hand together. As mentioned, this chord pattern is played in the pre-chorus. Now we'll cover the chord pattern that is played in the choruses. Starting with the right hand, you have E minor, C major, G major, and D major. On the left, we're going to play the root notes. E, C, G, and D. As mentioned, this chord pattern is played for the choruses. Finally, we'll look at the ending. The ending uses our first chord pattern we had learned, except we end